Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing effect in Roblox Studio. We will begin by setting up your workspace. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new experience. Next, navigate to the Explorer window and locate Starter Player. Inside, find Starter Character Scripts and insert a new local script. This script will be the core of our landing effect, allowing us to detect player actions and trigger dynamic responses. We will also access the player's humanoid and humanoid root part for precise control. Now, let's dive into the script to detect when a player lands. We will connect a function to the humanoid state changed event. This event fires whenever the player's state changes, such as from jumping to falling or from falling to landed. Inside this function, we will check if the new state is landed. For more advanced effects, you can also track the player's Y position when they enter the freefall state, allowing you to trigger different effects based on fall height. For example, a fall of 15 studs or more. Once a landing is detected, we can add exciting visual and audio feedback. Create a particle emitter and customize its properties, such as texture, color, and size, to achieve your desired visual impact. You can set the rate to 0 and use the emit function for a burst of particles. For sound, insert a sound object, assign a sound ID, and play it when the player lands. These elements combine to create a satisfying and immersive landing experience for your players. To refine your landing effect, experiment with particle properties like rate, speed, and lifetime to achieve the perfect visual. Select sound effects that complement your game's style and adjust their volume for optimal impact. For a truly polished effect, consider incorporating a custom landing animation. Always test your effect extensively in-game to ensure it functions smoothly across various scenarios and devices. Aim for a balanced effect that enhances gameplay without impacting performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.